So, you're thinking about creating a virtual reality or augmented reality experience for your company. Maybe you've tried virtual or augmented reality for the first time and you're thinking, I've got a brilliant idea. But you've got a challenge. How will you bring your idea to life? And how much is it going to cost? Your questions are quickly piling up and you're just not too sure where to start. If this is you, then this workshop is your perfect starting point. Imagine building a training simulation using virtual reality that allows your colleagues to practice their skills in a safe and realistic environment. What if you could engage your customers in the ultimate augmented sports experience and solidify your brand as front of mind when they think about apparel? There are so many incredible ways of using virtual and augmented reality for training and marketing experiences. There really is an endless number of opportunities, and the grass is still green. However, many enter into this space unaware of the challenges. You need to be clear on what these are and how you can avoid them. The first challenge most people meet is not knowing where to start. There is so much information available online, and a lot of it is highly technical, with a focus on programming. This means that when people do start to look for advice, they can be quickly overwhelmed with irrelevant information. This workshop takes you from zero to hero without getting lost. Speaking of getting lost, virtual and augmented reality projects can easily end up going way over budget, both in cost and time to deliver. Most often when a design isn't built from well-informed fundamentals. We cover those fundamentals in this workshop and show you how to design according to your intended outcome. The final major challenge creators face when designing a virtual or augmented reality experience is coming to the end of the process, only to find that they've created something nobody wants to use. You can make the fanciest virtual or augmented reality experience in the world, but if it's not easily used or doesn't achieve the goal that you aimed for, it's going to end up sitting on a shelf somewhere, forgotten. It's heartbreaking to see so much time and passion go into something that becomes abandoned shelfware. Nobody wants that. This workshop will make sure that you never end up in that situation. How do we know this? Our team has worked with corporate clients delivering virtual and augmented reality experiences for over 8 years. We have experience delivering real, impactful projects and fixing those that have failed. We know what it's like to be in your position, and we're here to help. This workshop contains the cumulative knowledge of expert designers wrapped in a series of modules that can be taken at your own pace. You can complete the workshop in a day or spread it across a week. And once you've finished, you can always use it again on your next big idea. From this workshop, you'll gain an introduction to virtual and augmented reality that contains everything you need to know, including advice on how to choose which of the two best suits your idea. We'll cover the essential information you need to know to make sure the experience you design achieves your intended outcomes. You'll learn how to create a scope for your experience that then can be taken to a developer or agency for a quote. We've even included a bonus module on how to source high-quality developers and agencies. Everything you need to know to determine whether virtual reality or augmented reality is the right fit for your idea, how to design your experience, and how to then turn that design into a scope is all included in this workshop. By the end, you'll have all the information that you need without feeling lost and without wasting a lot of valuable time. You'll have a clear idea of whether your design idea is feasible and a scope to make sure that you get an accurate budget for both time and cost to deliver. That way, you can continue with the confidence that you're creating something people will actually find both enjoyable and effective. So, what are you waiting for? Register and get started today.